I want to share with you a secret of manifesting and bringing into your life what you want. Just take a moment and visualize the things that you really want in your life. How you want to feel, the kind of life you want to have. Really see it, visualize it. And just imagine that you have those things and all the actions it took for you to get those things. A lot of actions, a lot of interactions. Here's the key. Chances are you don't have everything you want in your life. And one of the reasons why is you forget the principle. It's a principle of physics. It's a principle of mind. That giving is receiving. As we give, we receive. As we sow, we reap. Too many of us have ideas like little children of demanding to get. Gimme. I want to get this. Well, that's the child who at the time wasn't able to, they were helpless to get what they needed, to get what they wanted, because they were too small, they were too inexperienced. They weren't able to work and make the money or drive the car, although sometimes even 5 or 6 year olds try. When we establish that conditioning in our mind, relationships become about making demands, having expectations that you want them to meet to bring you what you need, what you want. Gimme. And life is now all about getting from other people what it is I believe I'm missing so that I can realize my goals that I have. It doesn't work. It doesn't work because eventually people, they want to look after their own interests. Eventually people, if they don't see a mutual need that you getting what you want gives to them what they believe they need and want, they stop doing it, and now you have conflict, and now you're going to blame them, and there goes your relationship. And what happens is we now break relationships with those around them. Why? Because we're like a little baby. Gimme. I want, mama, da, gimme. You've grown up now, have you noticed? So now it's time for you to be the giver. Because as you give, you receive. When you know that you can give unto yourself what you need, that you can take care of yourself, and most importantly, you can extend yourself to others. So think about what you want. Think about what you say to yourself you need. And then figure a way to go out in the world and give it to others. Get into action. For every action, there's an equal and opposite reaction, isn't there? This is physics. So get in motion. A body in motion tends to stay in motion. A body not in motion tends to stay still. So if you're still just waiting and demanding, no. Get up, get out of it. Look at what you want. Look at what you say you need. Look at the expectations you have that you've made on others, and now turn it around and find ways to give it. Go work for a charity. Go work for a civic organization. Just walk around and you want more love? Go around giving love. Go out and get a bunch of flowers and give it to different people at the supermarket, okay? Make their day. Send a wonderful little email that appreciates someone. Give. Extend. Now what you do is you create space. And now as you've outflowed, you've created the space to accept the inflow. But if you're there demanding, gimme, you're not even open enough to receive it. And nobody likes to have demands made on them. Especially when you believe that you can't get it yourself, and now you're acting helpless, and now I'm dealing with this little kid. What good is that? That's not a relationship. Now, I agree, many marriages go this way, because all of a sudden one makes demands on the other meets it. There's no balance. There should be an exchange. So if you want more, give more. Give to receive. It changes everything. Have fun with it. And remember that as you give, it actually comes back to you in multiples. You give 10, comes back 100, 1,000, 100,000 fold. But give for the joy of giving, because when you do, it's such a beautiful feeling to see someone else receive love, appreciation, kindness, compassion, forgiveness, and all those qualities that we're looking for. Extend, open, you receive. Start the flow. Give. And know now you're open. And the universe will bring to you much more than you